Looking to create the ultimate man cave bar? Whether you're a mixology enthusiast or just want a cool spot to unwind, a well-designed bar is the heart of any man cave. From sleek modern setups to rustic retreats, there's a style for everyone. Ready to turn your space into the ultimate hangout? Let's explore the best man cave bar ideas that will make your friends want to stay forever. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best way to organize a small man cave bar? Maximize small spaces with wall-mounted shelves and a fold-out bar counter. Use compact furniture like backless stools and slimline fridges. Mirrors can create the illusion of more space while reflecting your decor. Like this idea? Hit the thumbs up. What kind of seating should I use? Comfortable seating is a must. Choose bar stools with cushioned seats and backrests. If space allows, add a cozy lounge area with leather chairs or a sectional sofa for guests. Like and share if you agree, seating makes all the difference. What kind of lighting works best for man cave bars? Lighting sets the mood. Use pendant lights for a classic bar feel or LED strips under the bar counter for a modern glow. Adjustable dimmers let you change the ambiance from party mode to chill vibes. Like and share if lighting is a game changer. What are some modern bar ideas? For a sleek, modern look, choose minimalist furniture with clean lines. Use a quartz or stainless steel bar top, LED lighting, and high-gloss finishes. Add bar stools with a contemporary design and a mounted TV for entertainment. If you like this idea, hit like, share with friends, and subscribe for more. What are some essential features for a man cave bar? A great bar starts with the essentials. Stock it with a mini fridge, a stylish bar top, and plenty of shelving for glasses and bottles. Don't forget comfortable seating and good lighting to set the mood. Like this video if you think every man cave needs a bar. What are some DIY man cave bar ideas? Get creative with DIY projects. Repurpose old furniture like a dresser or cabinet into a bar. Build shelving from wooden crates or pallets. A pegboard behind the bar can hold glasses, tools, and decor. If you love DIY, like this video, subscribe and share with your creative friends. What are some budget-friendly bar ideas? A great bar doesn't have to break the bank. Use thrift store finds like vintage glasses or an old cabinet. Paint and refurbish furniture for a fresh look. DIY your bar top with epoxy resin for a polished finish. Like this video if you love affordable ideas. How do I keep my bar organized? Use labeled bins or baskets for small items. Install tiered shelves for bottles and glasses. A magnetic strip can hold metal tools, and drawer organizers keep utensils tidy. Like this tip? Share it with friends and subscribe for more organization hacks. How can I personalize my bar? Make it your own. Add a custom neon sign with your name or a favorite quote. Display memorabilia like sports jerseys, movie posters, or travel souvenirs. A chalkboard wall for drink recipes adds both functionality and fun. Share your dream bar personalization idea in the comments. How can I create a rustic bar setup? Rustic bars exude warmth and charm. Use reclaimed wood for the bar counter and shelves. Add industrial-style lighting with exposed bulbs and metal fixtures. Decorate with vintage signs, whiskey barrels, or even an old wagon wheel. Comment your favorite rustic bar decor below. How can I add entertainment to my bar? Entertainment is key. Add a dartboard, pool table, or arcade machine nearby. Install a TV or projector for watching movies and sports. A sound system or jukebox can keep the music flowing all night. If this sounds fun, drop a like, subscribe, and comment entertainment below. Can I incorporate a sports theme? Absolutely. Hang team flags, jerseys, and sports memorabilia on the walls. Install a TV for live games and add a mini scoreboard or chalkboard for keeping score during games. Choose barware in your team's colors. Comment your favorite sports team below. Can I incorporate tech into my bar? Yes. Install a smart home system to control lighting and music. Add a mini fridge with Wi-Fi to track your stock. Touchscreen displays can show recipes or double as entertainment screens. Like and share if you agree. Seating makes all the difference. Can I include a theme in my man cave bar? Themes make your bar stand out. Try a tropical tiki vibe with bamboo decor and colorful lights. Go retro with a 1950s diner look, complete with checkered floors and vintage signage. Or embrace the Wild West with saloon-style swinging doors and cowboy accents. Share your bar theme idea with us in the comments. Can I create a whiskey or wine bar? Yes, focus on your favorite drink. For a whiskey bar, use dark wood tones, leather accents, and whiskey barrels as decor. For a wine bar, install a wine rack, use elegant glassware, and opt for softer lighting. If you love this idea, like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Your man cave bar is more than just a place for drinks. It's a space to relax, entertain, and show off your style. Whether you're into rustic vibes, modern minimalism, or themed setups, there's an idea here for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your favorite idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration.